Hello, I'm Jamie, a children's librarian with Tacoma Public Library. I'm here today to give you a quick introduction to Kanopy Kids as used on a phone or other similar Android device. It also works on iPhones, but this is Android. It's also available as an app for smart TVs. Once you install the app in your Play Store for Google or other form of app store, you are ready to click Open. I've already created an account, so today I'm going to click Login. If you need to create an account, click Get Started. You'll be asked for an email address and your library card password. If you'd like a walkthrough of creating an account, there's another video that shows you how to do that. It does show how to do that on a computer, but it's the same process here on this device. So now I'm going to hit Log In. You will log in with the email address that you used to create your account, and then type your password. When you first log in, you are greeted by the traditional Kanopy page. You will see the number 10 in the top right corner. That tells you that you have 10 views left for the month. If you would like to access Kanopy Kids, where you have an unlimited amount, click the 3 lines in the bottom right where it says More, and then you'll see Go to Kanopy Kids. So I'm clicking that. And now I have just Kanopy Kids. You'll see that 10 items in the top right corner has disappeared. This is set up the same way that it is on the computer or any of the other devices. It has carousels based off of categories. So you can explore, and you can also click Browse and pick a category. You can also search if you know specifically what you are interested in watching. If there's something that you would like to save and come back to later, you can click the item and click Watch List. That will add it to your watch list. In order to view your watch list from any page here, you can go down to the bottom where it says My List. It does automatically default to continue watching, where it will save anything that you were in the middle of watching, so you can go back to later. For anything that you had added to a watch list, just click My Watch List, and everything that you have saved to go back to later is here. Don't forget that Kanopy Kids also has a great language section. You'll see I've saved a few to go back to later. The Muzzy Show has French, German, and all sorts of other languages as well. If you have any questions about Kanopy Kids or any of our other device related resources, or just any library questions at all, please feel free to reach out to the library and we would be glad to help you. Have fun streaming!